Join Forever Scholars and Professor Richard Bell on Monday, September 20th at 5 p.m. Eastern for a free lecture exploring the dark treason of Benedict Arnold. Benedict Arnold is the most famous turncoat in American history. He was a skilled officer in George Washington's Continental Army who began secretly communicating with British intelligence agents, giving them insider information and dramatically defecting to their side in return for a mountain of cash. Historian Richard Bell reconstructs the life and times of Benedict Arnold, the reasons for this treason, and the larger problems of betrayal and desertion that dogged the Continental Army throughout the war.